Adding a bank account to PayPal in 2025 is still pretty much the same as it's always been, but there are a few new twists. So here's how to do it. Log into your PayPal account, go to your wallet section, and then choose either link a bank or link a card. If you choose link a bank, link it instantly by entering your online banking details, like your bank name, bank code, and account number. If you want to link it using your card, select Link a Card, and then put your card number, expiration, and the CVV, and then click on Link Card. PayPal will send you two small deposits to your account within 3 business days. Once you see the deposits in your bank account, go back to your PayPal wallet, select the bank account, and then enter the exact amounts of the deposits. This confirms your account and links it to PayPal.